The invention of the microscope marks a pivotal moment in the history of science and has significantly advanced our understanding of the natural world. This story begins in the late 16th century, a time when scholars were eager to explore and understand the unseen mysteries of life. A special blend of craftsmanship, curiosity, and scientific advancement led to this groundbreaking invention. The tale starts in the late 1500s with two Dutch spectacle makers, Hans Janssen and his son Zacharias Janssen. They stumbled upon the principle of magnification. It's said they discovered this by experimenting with lenses constructed for spectacles and noticing that when observing objects through a lens held at a distance from another, they appeared enormously enlarged. But it was not until the following century that the use of microscopes truly began to flourish. In the early 17th century, Galileo Galilei, famed for his astronomical advancements, turned his attention to the microscopic realm. Galileo developed his own version of the microscope, which he called the occhialino, or little eye, allowing him to observe insects with magnification greater than ever before. It was during this period that another key figure emerged, Antony van Leeuwenhoek. In the mid-1600s, Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch tradesman with no formal scientific training, developed a microscope of extraordinary power purely for his passion and curiosity. He crafted lenses that could magnify objects over 200 times their original size. Through these lenses, Leeuwenhoek became the first to observe and describe a variety of microscopic entities, including bacteria, sperm cells, and the intricacies of minute cellular structures, astounding the scientific community of his time. Leeuwenhoek's observations were revolutionary, proving that there was an entire world invisible to the naked eye. His dedication to continually improving his lenses and documenting his findings allowed his contemporaries and future generations to explore the microscopic dimension. Leeuwenhoek's work exemplified the union of craftsmanship and scientific inquiry and greatly expanded the scope of biological sciences. The development of the microscope underwent several enhancements in subsequent centuries. It continued to evolve through improvements in lens crafting and innovations in technology. The discoveries made using microscopes changed human comprehension of life, leading to advances in fields such as biology, medicine, and microbiology. These tools allowed scientists to delve into the secrets of life at a cellular and molecular level. Today, the evolution of the microscope has reached astounding heights, with contemporary advances such as electron and digital microscopy providing unprecedented details of the microscopic world. In conclusion, what began as an accidental discovery by a curious father and son pair became the doorway to a world hidden from human sight. The microscope opened vistas of exploration and continues to contribute to scientific and medical advancements.